Your makeup looks good in person, but it's not showing up in any of your photos. It's because you are not layering your makeup properly. I'm a makeup artist and I have perfected this routine, so I'm going to show you guys step by step on how to do this. You're literally going to look flawless in every single one of your photos moving forward. Starting off with the Stay Star Glow. This is so beautiful underneath makeup, the way that my skin just glows. For pores, I'm going to be using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, and I'm only applying it in my T-zone area. The way that it your pores and makes them like basically like non-existent. I'm gonna be using the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, the outer parts of my face. It just grips your makeup in place and it does not budge. So I'm gonna first start off by applying a super duper light layer of concealer. This is really gonna help my dark circles. Go ahead and just contour our face first. The way you want to contour is find the shadows in your face naturally. So if you look at my face, you can already see like shadows right here. So we're gonna go ahead and just like lightly apply this on to give our face a little bit more dimension. The key, you guys, is to make sure that you're layering and also applying enough product on. So for foundation, you're going to want to go with a natural but still full coverage foundation. I'm going to be using the Givenchy Prisme Libre foundation. It still gives full coverage and it looks super duper beautiful, almost skin-like on. And because we're not using a heavy foundation, you guys, you can pick up a lot more of this product and it's going to look super duper good on. What I always like to do is I like to always go in with my damp beauty blender just all over my face, and this is going to really help get rid of any lines that may have been left with the brush. Go back in with my concealer. I'm going to be using this really to brighten underneath my eyes. Using my beauty blender. Now going into bronzing, go over where I contour and add some warmth into my skin. I'm going to go into my cream blush. One thing that really flushes you out and makes it look like you have nothing on is when you don't have enough blush on your face. I'm going to go ahead and take this dark brown eyeliner from Huda Beauty, and I'm going to go ahead and just line the top as well as the bottom of my eyes. Lick this out, smudge this inward, and taking that same brush, we're going to go ahead and just smudge whatever is left on the bottom. Taking my L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. In photos, the one thing that's really going to show and pop the most is going to be our eyes, so really focusing on making the eyes pop is going to be key. It's time to set my face. We're going to go ahead and just press this underneath my eyes. Okay, next, I'm going to take the Charlotte Tilbury finishing powder, and I'm going to go ahead and just apply this all around. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up my powder bronzer. Go ahead and just go over the areas that I did with the creams. These subtle layering techniques, you guys, is gonna really make or break the look. And I'm gonna go ahead and take a finishing spray, spray this all over my face. For my lip liner, I'm gonna be using Cool Spice from MAC. I'm gonna be going in with Yash from MAC. Lastly, I'm gonna apply this Gisou lip oil. Now we have to make sure that all of this stays, so we're gonna be using the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray from Charlotte Tilbury. Okay, you guys, and here is the finished full makeup look. Trust me when I say your photos are gonna look so flawless moving forward.